Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this one I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in the Oneplus 11R device after the recent update. So recently friends, the Oneplus 11R did receive the update which is regarding the stability and the performance improvement. And in this video I'm going to do the CPU throttling test in this device. Is there any impact on the performance and the stability or not? The main reason is because in this Oneplus 11R device I did see a couple of throttling issues while doing the CPU throttling test, as you can see friends, with using high performance mode. Now I'm going to use the same high performance mode and do the throttling test, and we'll try to see how will be the throttling going on in the Oneplus 11R device. So as you can see friends, the throttling, how serious it is. So now let's find out with the latest update if the problem got fixed or not. And right now the temperatures are 23 degrees Celsius at this moment, and you can see the phone battery percentage is about 100%. And right now I'm going to use the same settings, 100 threads for 15 minutes of time, not 30 minutes. Let's use for only 15 minutes, and we'll try to find out what's happening regarding the overall throttling in this device. And before that, let me enable the high performance mode, and then let's do the testing. So high performance mode is on, and let's close and open the application again, the CPU throttling, yes. And now with using high performance mode, you can see the clock speeds. So everything is at higher clock speeds. And now let's start the test. And I will be back after 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. In this way, we'll try to check regarding the performance numbers and overall speeds, what's going on. And right now, as you can see friends, in the beginning, you can see the clock speeds, which are running at maximum clock speeds as well, as you can see. And now we'll try to observe whether the clock speed is maintaining exact same number or not. So we'll try to find out. And I will be back after some time, maybe after 5 minutes of time. Then we'll try to check 1.8 on the first row, 2.74 and 3.18 should be on the last clock speed. So we'll try to see regarding the throttling. So I will be back after some time. So most of the time the line should be like this, flat, to avoid the throttling issues. So it should be completely flat. So I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 5 minutes of time, and the battery percentage is exactly 100%, and the temperature did increase up to 31 degrees Celsius, and you can see the clock speed still maintaining about high clock speeds. So till now, no issues even after 5 and 6 minutes of time. And now you can see the performance slightly kind of going up and down a little bit, but it's not going below 80%. So this after the recent update. Sometimes because of the software updates also the throttling might improve. But let's find out after 10 minutes of time. We'll try to see whether the throttling is still happening after 10 minutes or not. But till now it looks pretty good. The performance, the clock speeds are exactly maintaining at higher level the clock speeds all the time. So I will be back after some time. And right now, as you can see friends, after getting close to 10 minutes of time, still I didn't see any kind of throttling happening. I think hopefully after the update, the problem must have fixed in this Oneplus 11R, because I did not see any kind of decrease regarding the clock speeds. So before, the clock speeds used to decrease and increase constantly, but right now it's not happening like that at this moment in the Oneplus 11R. So which is pretty good thing, I would say. So with the recent update, these are the quick improvements on the CPU throttling test with using high performance mode. And the temperatures increased up to 36 degrees Celsius after 11 minutes of time, so which is not bad for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor in this Oneplus 11R device. And I will be back after maybe 15 minutes of time. Then we can discuss more details about the temperatures and overall battery draining and overall throttling as well. So I can be back after some time. But one thing is pretty clear, the maximum performance is slightly lower than before. Because before it was able to reach pretty high performance most of the time, but little bit to maintain that kind of consistent level of performance, I guess. And I can be back after 15 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see friends, after 15 minutes of time, these are the throttling test results, so which is really pretty good, I would say. So right now I did not face any kind of throttling issues, and the battery dropped to 96%. And using with the high performance mode, I done this kind of complete test, and right now the CPU throttle up to 87% only, which is really fantastic. So throughout the time the phone was able to maintain higher clock speeds at maximum performance with slightly low temperatures, because it did not increase above 40 degrees Celsius. So you can see friends, this is the throttling test results in the Oneplus 11R before update, and you can clearly see the temperature increased up to 41 degrees Celsius before the update, and the performance of its throttling as well. Even though using with the high performance mode and pretty good high battery percentage as well, but still the throttling is happened before the update. And right now, after the update, these are the throttling test results. Is, as you can see, friends, there is a clear difference regarding the both test results before and after update. And hopefully the throttling should maintain like this itself, so without impacting any kind of performance. And even the performance scores also seems to be kind of pretty good, not bad. So average and the maximum scores. So when compared with the before, it was slightly better, I would say, definitely. So meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and this is a quick CP throttling test results in the OnePlus 11R. And after the software update, it's completely improved regarding the throttling test results in this OnePlus 11R device. Until then, stay tuned, signing off and bye.